Clowns and puppets, and puppets and clowns, all over our towns,
scurrying about in disguise, falling and tumbling like dice who think they are wise,
with many wearing frowns, a denial worn like gowns on those who are simply clowns. Even though life is not nice, oh, that it would suffice to convince those minds
that clowns and puppets and puppets and clowns are all over our town.
Clowns and puppets and clowns all over our towns.
Caught in a world full of good and evil, dancing like puppets at the end of strings. We are God's clowns.
We know good, but only to know evil, a drop of water, but only to know thirst, a morsel of food, but only to know hunger. Evil, evil is all around. Good is not to be found. It is only a promise writers long for in a faraway land. Clowns and puppets and clowns all over our towns, everywhere. In cities and towns,
Merrily along they go, thinking that they know.
walking and dancing about with assurance and no doubt, while set apart are the wise clowns, ostracized as they